Okay.
I remember before me and the Sophia was here.
Yeah. Do you know what are these?
Yeah?
What are those? Look.
Plants.
No.
These
Yeah.
are plants.
Yeah, potatoes.
Potatoes?
Yeah.
But where's the potatoes?
Whoa. They're there.
I can't see them.
Okay, let's carry on. And what are those?
Plants.
They look like pumpkin.
But where's the potatoes?
They're there.
I can't see them.
Hmm? Well, you have to dig.
Hmm?
You have to dig to see the potatoes.
Dig?
Yeah, dig. And those ones, come and see.
A spiky plants.
Okay. Oh yeah. Okay, what are those?
Broccoli.
Good boy. They look very spiky.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And what else?
Keep walking.
We'll keep walking.
Yeah.
Okay, and what are these? Look,
Right here.
look, maize.
Hmm?
Look, those are the maize.
Right?
Yeah, the corn.
It's over here.
What? Come and see.
Mommy, over here.
1 minute. Come here. Look. What are those?
These are potatoes.
No. Those are cabbage.
Cabbage.
Mm.
Over here.
And here, look.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah. Over here now.
Okay. Where are we going?
Over there. That house.
Okay.
Look. Abandoned house.
Ah.
This is abandoned house.
Oh dear.
And over here.
Mhm.
This. And it's got a cobweb. I need to do down.
Okay, carry on.
Over here.
Mhm.
And here.
Mhm.
Look at these.
What are those?
Flowers.
Yeah?
These are flowers.
Oh, they look like strawberries to me.
Strawberries?
Mhm.
It looks like strawberries, but it's flowers.
Yeah. Okay.
Look.
And look.
Look, the flowers is coming out.
Okay. And this one's onions.
Onions.
So
And
they cook.
this one.
Hmm?
This one.
Sukuma wiki.
And that one is orange.
Mm. Yeah. Okay.
Let me show you something.
Like what?
Like this.
And what are those?
Big flowers.
Okay. Let's go then.
And these.
Hmm?
And these.
Huh?
These are white flowers.
Okay.
You can see them before.
Mhm.
Oh, that gate is closed.
Oh.
So we need to go this way.
Okay.